Yes, first one.
What do you think when I see my room my laptop?
It's too hot. Let's use the second one.
We will need that one.
First one. Let it be on this first. On this first. There's two of this one. Oh. Can you clean it with that thing? Yeah. We have successfully connected the 3 batteries in series. Yeah, so we now have two outs, 2 terminals. We have negative and positive terminals. Yeah.
This one not getting anything inside.
Life of engineering.
But this wire light gone. How many millimeters is this one?
So we have soldered all the wires to the points that we ought to solder them on the BMS. And so next thing now is to connect the wires to the battery. Yeah.
Okay, start.
Yeah. So we've connected this thing. Arduino.
Yeah, keep going.
What's the ID?
I mean ID.
So the
So you want to use the ID? I can already have it.
BMS and the battery. And so these are the 2 outputs, positive and negative, which should be connected to our Arduino. And so if we put the Arduino there, so you can see. So we are going to cut here. So we are going to cut here, so that the 2 will separate this the connection, so that they will not contact each other. The legs. So we are going to cut the conductors at the center. Yeah. Right. You can see it now. Yeah. So here we cut the copper. Right, good. So how far we have stopped. Yeah, so this is the sensor, and so we are about to connect the relay. Right. Okay. So you can press it. We have done all the connections. Though it's not as neat as I actually wanted, but so use the poster. I don't know if it's clear. So with the